NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 7, Exercise 7.1, Question number 20. If the points A 1, 2, O 0, 0 and C A, B are collinear, then option A is equal to B, option B A is equal to 2B, option C 2A equal to B, or option D A is equal to minus B. Now let us find the answer. We are given points A 1, 2, O 0, 0, C A, B are collinear. What are collinear points? Points that lie on a straight line. When points lie on a straight line, slope of AO should be equal to slope of OC. Now let us find the slope of AO. Point A is 1, 2 and origin O is 0, 0. Let us consider point A as x1, y1 and point O as x2, y2. Now let us find the slope of AO. Slope MAO is equal to, what is the formula? Formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Let us substitute the values. Slope is equal to y2 is 0 minus y1 is 2 by x2 is 0 minus x1 is 1. Therefore slope is equal to minus 2 by minus 1, which is equal to 2. Now let us find the slope of the line joining O and C. Origin O is 0, 0 and point C A, B. Let us consider O as x1, y1, point C as x2, y2. Slope of the line joining points O and C is M is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Slope equal to y2 is B minus y1 is 0 by x2 is A minus x1 is 0. Slope is equal to B by A. We are already given that slope of AO is equal to slope of OC. We have found that slope of AO is equal to 2 and slope of OC is equal to B by A. That implies 2A is equal to B. From the given options, option C 2A equal to B is the right answer.